Good day everyone, and in today's video, DJI Mic 2.0 basic pack. What does that mean? And we do have a transmitter and a receiver, and we will compare it to the Rode. On the box you will have info what's included. Poison for the trolls, DJI sticker and manual, and yeah, main device in the case. That's cool. The case itself feels very nice in the hand. It's very nice, comfortable case. Poison for the trolls. USB Type-C cable. All kinds of converters for iPhone and USB Type-C, Android. Well, the latest iPhone also has USB Type-C, so. Cable for the camera. And yeah, what's on this side? That cat. Okay, let's put it aside. Transmitter. And receiver. We have a screen, a couple of languages, Deutsch, Chinese, English, there's Polish, there's Portuguese, Italiano, Turkish, and Indonesia. All right. For the headphones and out and in. That's probably for the charging case, which we don't have anyway. It doesn't matter. USB Type-C, power, and the wheel. Okay, we can use the wheel instead of touch screen. That's also super cool. And a transmitter. That's all for the dead cat. A microphone on the top. For powering to a Bluetooth device. Yes, you can power with a Bluetooth device. Come on, focus on the device, please. Please focus on the device. Power button for the case. We don't have a case. That's a recording button, USB Type-C, magnet.
And this is how it sounds like. And it sounds bad. Really bad. This is a direct connection via Bluetooth to a smartphone, not any smartphone, but Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone, which is one of the best Android, maybe even the best Android smartphone in the world. It's still bad, really bad. Some influencer says, it's okay. It is not okay. It's bad. Check them. Check that influencer which will tell you that it's okay. Is he using that settings directly via Bluetooth in his next video? My English is still not great, but I hope he definitely not. It is not good at all. Why is that? Bluetooth connection. Bluetooth is the bottleneck. Bluetooth in your smartphone is still not efficient enough to perform greatly. Like the Bluetooth in a dedicated receiver. Let me switch to a dedicated receiver and we will hear the difference. And now, beautiful audio experience with a dedicated receiver. It's much better. Okay, let me just hold it to my mouth. It's much better. Do I have the keys in my scooter? Yes. Let's take them out. Let me walk a little bit. Let's see the range. I mean, the range should be unlimited. Like, who's gonna film from that kind of distance? Okay, maybe. Alright, I don't want to go any further. That's the Galaxy smartphone out there. Well, this neighborhood is, who knows what could happen. And I'm fat, so I'm not that quick. So, yeah, the range is cool. The audio, well, we'll need to compare it to Rode. Wireless Rode. At the moment, you are hearing the DJI mic. At the bottom, you will see which mic is on. There's a DJI mic. Of course, OBS, which I'm recording at the moment, will compress that audio heavily. So it will be a bit, yeah. But that's OBS. If you want to use the OBS, that compression is present. Now let me switch to the Rode. And do you hear the difference? Do you hear the difference in the audio experience? Let me switch back. And the difference is significant. at my point anyway. And again, with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with a receiver room which has a lot of echo, a very difficult room. But before we go to the next studio, this is a Rode experience. DJI mic, again, with the sound treatment environment. How does it sound? Of course, this is a 32-bit. And the DJI mic 1.0, which I think sounds really, really good. I think sounds better than the 2.0, which is strange. But and again with the Rode sounds awesome. But
In the menu, you can see we do have 32-bit receiver, transmitter, and settings. If we go to settings, we do have, go from beginning, components info, version, factory reset, data, language, brightness. Let's move, continue. Transmitter settings, receiver settings, transmitter settings, LED, vibration, storage, auto record, stop recording lock, 32-bit float recording. Well, you can use a 32-bit if you're, yeah, it's cool because in theory you will never clip your audio. You can always recover your audio, in theory. Sometimes it's beyond recovery. It all depends what you're doing. Transmission gains and low cut. Also in the receiver, we do have mono. We can switch to mono with a safety track, stereo. Let's leave it with mono. Recommended camera setting, I will come back to it. Recovery gains, receiver gains, sorry. Volume, camera off and on. Auto off, that's cool, and link device. In the recommended camera settings, well, you can use different brands. Fuji, Panasonic, Nikon, Canon, Sony, or none. I have a Sony one. And with the model, you can switch to a different model, 640, 660, and see, like you can see, a couple of models. I have the last one, ZVE10, but that's not doing too much. I don't know. I didn't feel any like difference at all. No, it's definitely out a little bit of gain, plus 9 and 32-bit. In the end, design is excellent and usability is through the roof, but I have a problem with that USB-C port. Not always is recognized by the PC. It should click. We should hear the noise. We didn't. When I connect a different device, you will hear the noise. Yeah, yeah. And now, again, I got nothing. And it's not recognized as a microphone, which is strange. I will have to use additional USB Type-C port, which is quite annoying because with a desktop, it's very hard. Anyway, maybe my microphone, my receiver is faulty. Who knows? There is no software to play around with it, like in the Rode, which is also unfortunate. And, well, judging by the sound, I think number one is Rode, then DJI mic 1.0, and then 2.0. Usability-wise, features, other way around. So 2.0, 1.0, and Rode. And that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching, and see you next video. Bye.